Garden tractor doesn't start even though I know it's got a good battery. It just clicks and does nothing when I turn the key. Starter doesn't engage. Okay, so this will work for vehicles too if they don't start. First check, make sure the cables are tight. So what the problem is just a bad connection, and you need to make a better connection between the post of the battery and the cable on either side. Sometimes this takes two people, one person to start the vehicle and one to hold the screwdriver in so it'll start. So now you just hold the screwdriver real tight between the post and the cable. Like I said, sometimes it takes two people, one in the vehicle, one outside, and then try it. Just don't forget to not shut it off till you get home. So all you need to do to clean this terminal, first you need a 7/16 wrench to remove it, and then you need a battery terminal cleaner like this. You can probably get one of these at Walmart or just about anywhere, and they're just a couple bucks. So now I'm going to show you how to clean it. First you can clean the terminal like this. Just spin this on there a few times. And then to clean the cable, you spin this, get all the corrosion out so you get a good connection. Okay, so it's all cleaned up, tightened down, and I put some new hardware on it too. So newer style battery terminals on vehicles look like these. You do the same thing with the screwdriver, making the contact here. Except for this, if you want to remove it, you need an 8mm wrench to loosen these. Okay, so remember, this will work for vehicles, garden tractors, anything with a battery start system that's got a bad connection but the battery is good. Thanks for watching.